Hi everyone, welcome to a new beautiful day. And you are watching Learn is One with me, Ayesha Rizwan. So today video is very interesting because I am going to teach you how you can add borders to MS Word document. Okay, so this is just a video of how you can add the borders in your document to look it more attractive. So this video is for all the students, for all the one who wants to work in Word or who wants to learn this Word how to operate it. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start it. Firstly, see I have a blank document. I will write something here. So let's say my name is Aisha. I will write here. My name is Aisha and today I am going to teach you how to add borders in MS Word document. Okay. But still, if you didn't subscribe, you have to subscribe because you have to motivate me. You have to grow my channel, and together we have to grow this channel as soon. Okay. So I will take control A. I already taught you about this. If you didn't know how to do that, you can go and check my video like how to increase the size of the font. Okay, so I increase it already. Now let's add the border from the home button. What you can do, you can go and check the video. But today we focus on the that borders. Okay. So from the design, you will go to design and here you will find the titles. You don't have to touch that. Colors, fonts, you don't have to touch that. Then there is the page border. So you have to select the page border and from here you can choose the style. See, if you want box, you can just click on that and okay. If you want shadow, you can go with that. If you want 3D or custom, in the custom you can make it. Okay. For example, you see from here, you can just open from the above side and also from the down. If you want, you can just do like this. Like if you want one side document, like one line on one side, you can just remove all the line from other side. See like that, like we did in our school actually. And from here you can just choose the style of the line and you can also color. You can choose the color if you whatever you want, or there is some art as well. If you want some art, you can just add it from there. Like let's go with that. So you see that now you can just remove the other one like this, and afterward you can also select that you want in the first page or you want which page, all the document except what, you can just choose from here as well. Okay, we'll go and you see that the lines come. So it means that from this option you can add the colors, you can add the stickers on your line, or you can even add just a simple line. Okay, let's change the line into simple one. So from the art, we will choose this none. Okay, I don't want art. Now I want 3D look. We will go without any custom 3D. Let's see it. So it is, wait a second, 3D. And here you can just choose the line option, double line. With 3D we will go with double line and okay. So this is how a 3D lines look like. Okay, so we have another options as well. So that's it. This is the video for specifically about adding the borders. In the next video I will teach you how you can add the like numbers in the Word document. Okay, how you can add the page number. So you have to subscribe and you have to comment must if you like this video and if you want some more detail how to operate this MS Word document. Stay connected, wait for the next video. See you, bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.